when the frost bites the snow and Christmas comes around.
Hey guys, and welcome back to the Lego Star Wars Advent Calendar, guys. Today we're on day number 14, so let's go on with it. Anyways guys, that's today's build. Is a droid, tanker droid in a force tank. But yeah, that is pretty cool. We're finding out a build from the prequels. And this one is probably one of my favourites. This one just looks so cool. The scene in the movies was a pretty nice land vehicle. And yeah, I do like the design of this one. It is pretty cool. It's pretty nice. And yeah, finally I've got something that's not from, you know, the First Order or from the Empire. We've got something from Separatists, which is pretty cool. That's today's build guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.